Good morning, students. Let's we talk about the topic anatomy of frog and the digestive system in frog. So actually the frogs and the toads are a carnivorous group of organisms, which means that they will eat a meat. Small to medium sized frog they can eat such as the flies and mosquitoes, moth group and dragonflies. A larger frog they will eat a larger group of insects such as grasshoppers and the worms, mollusca group of organisms. Some are the rare of the larger frog, they will eat small snake, mice, baby turtle and smaller frogs is also. Some are the rare group, some are the species. So this is the based on the carnivorous group of, based on the one of the specialized characteristics of carnivorous group comes under in the order of Anura. Okay, so you have to see the anatomy of a frog. Food is passes from the frog's mouth region to frog's mouth region to the stomach, from the mouth region to the stomach by the way of the esophagus, just like a humans. So from the stomach the food moves into the small intestine where most of the digestion occurs. Large digestive glands like that pancreas and the liver like that of the large digestive glands is also involved into the digestion. Okay va? So are attached into the digestive system by the duct. Duct is a pathway, common pathway attached the portions in the small intestine, and gallbladder is also involved in the digestion, is also present. Okay, so from the parts of the digestive system, in the whole parts of the digestive system, from the esophagus brings food from mouth to down to the stomach region. The esophagus has no certain main function but act as only transport the food from the mouth to the stomach region. And then you see the stomach region, the stomach is after the esophagus and is where food is broken down. More specifically, it's where food is stored and it's mixed with enzymes to begin or to start the digestion in the stomach region with the help of enzymes. Okay, va? Then you have to see the pancreas. So the pancreas is a gland, a secreting gland. It secrete digestive enzymes into the duodenum. So the duodenum means it's a anterior part of the small intestine. This is anterior part, this is a posterior part. So the anterior part of the small intestine into which food passes from stomach, passes from the stomach. ஸ்டொமக்கில் இருந்து ஸ்மால் இன்டெஸ்டைன் ஜாயின் பண்ணக்கூடிய பிளேஸை வந்து நம்ம டியோடினம் அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்கிறோம். ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் டியோடினம் அப்படிங்கிற ரீஜியனில் தான் pancreas duct and gall bladder duct is opening into this region. Okay va? So then you see the small intestine is a principal organ of the digestion, which means this is where most of the digestion happening in this region. So also it's where nutrients is also absorbed. And then you see the small intestine connected with the large intestine, the posterior organ of the digestive system, which stores undigested food, which stores in a undigested food. And then you see the secreting gland, digestive secreting gland, large digestive gland of the liver secrete biles, which is fluid that helps to digestion in the duodenum region, digestion of the food particles. So along with its process digested food molecules. And then you see the small intestine opening into the posterior side cloacal aperture. This cloaca is also look like a anus. Okay, so it's where digested food and waste is removed off from the body. Okay va? And urinary bladders, storage of the temporary fluid, urine in the urinary bladders is also opening into the cloaca. Cloaca is one of the anus. We have the anus na nama expel out from the undigested food from out of the body. Digestive system anatomy. The alimentary canal consists of the buccal cavity. This is a buccal cavity. and the pharynx region and esophagus and the stomach region and duodenum region and the ileum, okay, and leads into a rectum, and it can leads into cloaca aperture. So the wide, you have to see the wide mouth region opening into the buccal cavity. Buccal cavity, it's at the floor base of the mouth region. So on the floor of the buccal cavity, it leaves a large muscular sticky tongue is also present. Muscular sticky tongue is also present. So you have to see this both of the picture. Okay va? So this tongue is attached into the free edges forked. So the mandible அப்படின்னு போட்டிருக்காங்களாப்பா. ஸோ அதுக்கு மேலே at the base attach ஆயிருக்கா. So this tongue region, so this tongue is sticky tongue is free edges forked. Free edge you have to see forked அப்படின்னா pointed out, taper end pointed out இருக்கும். So and insects gets glued to the sticky tongue. Okay, the tongue is immediately withdrawn and the mouth closes. When the insects is catch, suddenly withdrawn and the mouth closes. Mouth close ஆயிரும். So row of small and pointed maxillary teeth is also present. Pointed maxillary teeth is found in the inner region of the upper jaw. This is upper jaw and downwards lower jaw. So you have to see, in addition, wormerine teeth is also present in two groups. Wormerine teeth, this is we are named as a wormerine teeth. So wormerine teeth also present in two groups, one on each side of the internal nostrils. So nostrils, already you know that this is nostrils. So the internal nostrils each side me enna irukku wormerine teeth two group ah vandu arrange aayirukkum. Lower jaw you have to see divide of teeth. Lower jaw you have to see divide of teeth. So the mouth opens into the buccal cavity. This is a glottis. You have to see glottis. This is a opening pathway. This is a maxillary teeth. This is a wormerine teeth. Internal nostrils opening. Okay, and this is a mandible and maxilla opening into vocal sac. So you have to see the wide opening of the mouth region into the buccal cavity that leads into the esophagus, through into short tube of opening into buccal cavity and opening into esophagus and opening into, it leads into opening stomach region and continues as a intestine and rectum region and cloacal apertures. And you have to see this liver. This is a liver. So liver is a large digestive gland, already I said it to you. So liver secretes the bile which is stored in a gallbladder. எங்கே வந்து bile secrete பண்ணி எங்கே ஸ்டோர் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் gallbladderல. Okay, so pancreas is another one digestive large gland, produces pancreatic juice containing digestive enzymes. Okay, so the food is captured by the bilobed tongue region. Digestion of food takes place by the action of hydrochloric acid. இப்போ as we are in the human beings, நமக்குமே ஸ்டொமக்கில் HCl தான் என்ன ஆகுது, என்சைம் தான் வந்து செக்ரேட் ஆகுது when involved into the digest of the food. So HCl and gastric juices is also secreted from the walls of the stomach region and partially digested food is called. So in the stomach regionல வந்து பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா broke down the food molecules can be get to be ready into the chyme. Chyme means partially digested, பாதி அளவுக்கு டைஜஸ்ட் ஆன ஃபுட்டை வந்து chyme அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, so it's this is passed from stomach to the first part of the intestine and next duodenum. So the duodenum receives the bile from the gallbladder and the pancreatic juices received from the pancreas through the common bile duct. Okay, mixed into the stomach food, partially digested stomach food mixed and digest. The digest na semikka kudiyadhu, digest carbohydrate, protein and lipid na fat content, oil content. So இருக்கிறது எல்லாத்தையுமே என்ன ஆயிரும் அப்படியே some toxic substances if it is seen in the stomach regionல இருந்தாலும் அதையும் என்ன பண்ணிரும், digest பண்ணிரும். Final digestion takes place in the small intestine digested food is absorbed by the numerous finger like fold inner wall. Already நம்ம பார்த்தோம்ல third lessonல epithelial inner lining of the layer, columnar epithelium, pseudo stratified epithelium, villi like projection small intestine இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தோமா. So this like of a finger like fold in the inner wall of the intestine, this is called villi, and microvilli is present. So this villi is helpful for the absorption of the nutrients to return back to the body. Okay va? And undigested solid waste moves into the rectum region and passes out through the cloaca. So this is a function of the digestive system we have to see in the pathway. Okay, you have to read out this row of small pointed maxillary teeth found in the inner region of upper jaw, and in addition Warmarin teeth are also present in two groups, one on either side of the internal nostrils. Lower jaw is devoid of teeth. So the food passes from the mouth, buccal cavity, and pharynx, esophagus, stomach, intestine, rectum, and cloacal aperture. And the liver, pancreas, stomach involved into the digestion process. HCl, gastric juices, chyme is partially get to be ready the food we are named as chyme. So this chyme food digested in the duodenum region, common bile duct duodenum region. Bile, fat, and pancreatic juices with the help digest carbohydrate, protein, lipids, intestine, fine intestine, small intestine. Most of the digestion takes place. Digestion ஃபுல்லாகவே ஸ்மால் இன்டெஸ்டைனில் முடிஞ்சிடும். லார்ஜ் இன்டெஸ்டைனில் வரும்போது என்ன ஆகுது அப்படின்னா அன்டைஜஸ்டட் ஃபுட்டு மட்டும் வரும். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ.